Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not opening on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve not opening on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Clash of Clans. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Clash of Clans. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.